Hello guys, so how to start learning Blender in 2023? It's very easy. First download Blender from the official website, go to YouTube and you will see there are tons of channels making content about Blender and a lot of them really good. And if you are a complete beginner, I would recommend you to start with something like Blender Guru,
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu,
whose content is very good for beginners because he is showing step-by-step way of creating models from start to finish, and you will start from simple donut. And he's doing his courses every time when new version of Blender comes out. If you are not a complete beginner like me, you can pick something more specific. You can find other channels. But if you don't want to make a donut, you can consider buying a paid course from ArtStation or Gumroad, or simply check other YouTube channels. If you want to start sculpting in Blender, I would recommend you to check the channel of amazing artist Niko Naizunov, and his channel is named Speedchar Live, and there he's making live streams and showing how to sculpt the model from the complete scratch. He likes make a video for 1 or 2 hours and making a character there, no skipping, and showing all the process. But this guy, he's for more like advanced Blender users or 3D modelers, and he's sculpting very fast. He's showing the ways how to optimize sculpting in Blender, and he was actually one of the guys who motivated me to start sculpting in Blender, because when you see how he does it, it looks so simple and so easy. And I started to sculpting in Blender as well. Also, I had ZBrush and I really liked it. And if you are a complete beginner, I would recommend you to start with some free tutorials in YouTube. Try to repeat what the guys are showing there. Try to model something very simple when you're starting. Like when I was starting my 3D modeling journey, I started from the simple X, and when you get used to some simple models like X or like a pen or like a book or anything what you see on your table or your bed maybe, or try to model even your bedroom, like some props in your bedroom like a table or a chair, something very simple, just to get used to the 3D modeling, to Blender, to the logic of the workflow of the process. And then gradually start to pick more complicated ideas and just keep going. And after a couple of months will pass, or maybe more, maybe half of a year, and you will start feeling that maybe I would buy something. And the last thing to succeed in Blender and in general in 3D modeling is you just need to keep going, and you need to understand that 3D modeling and Blender journey is not easy. It's not a speed run, it's more like a marathon, it's a long run. So you need to be patient and keep going and going and going. And making more models, and at some point you will notice that your models are becoming better and you're starting to like it. The other thing which is very important, and I think you need a community where the people support each other, where there are a lot of other beginners like you, and you can ask questions, you can discuss with them about how to make this, how to render something, how to make a turntable animation, for example. And you can support each other, and for that you can go to Facebook or Reddit or other social networks and just go network. And that really helps when you see that you are not alone, like that other people also struggling to learn. And that's basically it. Just stop procrastinating, stop thinking or overthinking too much. Just watch a couple videos on YouTube and start making your first 3D model. Alright, so if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye bye.